Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve a question under the composition and domain of functions. Okay, so the question says f of x is equal to the square root of x plus 4 and g of x is equal to x squared. So the question states that find g of f of g, and find the domain of each composition. Okay, so that's pretty easy. So let's start with the first case. So we have g of f of x. So let's break this down. We have g of f of x, which is the same as g into f of x. Okay, so we have f of x. Our f of x is the square root of x plus 4. So now we are going to substitute it with x in the g of x function. Okay, so from there we say that g into the square root of x plus 4. So this is going to be the square root of x plus 4, or that squared. Okay, so from here we can see that this squared will cancel the square root and we will be left with x plus 4. So from there we can say our g of f of x is equal to x plus 4. Okay, so that is not all. So we are also to find the domain. The question said find the domain of each composition. Okay, so we are going to have, so to find the domain, this has a denominator of 1. So we can just say that the domain of g of f of x is just simply x, an element of real numbers. Because the denominator, we have only 1 in the denominator, so we can just conclude it like that. So that is the domain of g of f of x. So let's go to the second case. Sorry, this is b. Let's go to the b part. The b part says find f of g of x. Okay, so again we are going to break this down. So we are going to have f of g of x equal to f into g, like that. So again we have g of x. Our g of x is x square. Our g of x is x square, and we are going to substitute x squared with x in the f of x function. So from there we will have f into x squared. So now let's substitute x squared in our f of x function. So you have the square root of x squared plus 4. Okay, so that is it. This is it. So here again, the denominator for this one, this is the same as, so this is x squared plus 4. We can also write it like that. So again, this has a denominator of 1. So the denominator here is 1. So first let's conclude. We have f of g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. This is just the square root of x squared plus 4. So that is what we have. And now we have to find the domain. The domain of this, we can say the domain of f of g of x. The denominator is 1 again, so we can still conclude that x is just an element of real numbers. So that is how we can write the domain. So that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.